It's been 19 days since me and my brother decided to fix up the worst house in Nashville. We have 113 days left to fix up this entire house before we get kicked out of our apartment. After 3 days of framing, the exterior walls are all the way up. We hit a hiccup though. After walking the final product, we realized that this living room kitchen combo was too small. Originally, we were gonna put the butler's pantry and regular pantry here, but now we're gonna move it somewhere else. This is gonna give us an extra 5 feet, which we think is gonna be huge because that's gonna add to the space where we're gonna live the most. Let's talk about the ceilings. In the old part of the house, we're gonna have 9-foot ceilings due to historic regulation. As soon as you step into the second part of the house, we bump up to 10-foot ceilings. This is great because that 10-foot ceiling is gonna give this already open space an even more expansive feeling. Today, the lumber is being ordered for these modifications, and tomorrow we'll be back on track.